Cloudy headlights are primarily caused by oxidation from UV exposure, road debris, and environmental factors. This clouding reduces visibility and therefore safety. The goal of headlight restoration is to reverse this oxidation, restoring clarity. To begin, gather your materials: sandpaper from 400 to 3000 grit, polishing compound, microfiber cloths, masking tape, and UV protective sealant. Clean your headlights thoroughly with soap and water. Then, carefully tape off the surrounding painted areas to protect them from accidental damage during sanding and polishing. Ensuring proper preparation is crucial for effective and safe headlight restoration. Begin with wet sanding using 400 to 600 grit sandpaper and water to remove the oxidized layer. Sand for 1 to 2 minutes per headlight. Progress through finer grits, 1000 to 3000, to smooth the surface. Next, apply polishing compound using a buffer or cloth using circular motions to eliminate haze and restore clarity. Finally, apply a UV protective sealant to prevent future oxidation and let it cure for 24 hours. Remember to work in a shaded area to avoid UV interference, and always test the lights for proper alignment after restoration. Regular maintenance every 1 to 2 years is recommended to keep your headlights clear.